plant-based is hard. It took me years to figure out how to get it right. After the movie Forks Over Knives came out, people were doing the 30-day vegan challenge all over the place. I had been vegan for over 16 years at that point, but I saw one program that had me hopping mad. The host had people in their audience volunteer to take the 30-day challenge. The show I saw was the Results Challenge, and here's how it went. He had all the people who had tried the plant-based diet sitting in one section. He had everybody stand up, and then he started with how many failed after 1 day, or how many failed after 2 days. And as they failed, they had to sit down. He got down to the last poor lady standing, and in the last day, she had some jelly beans. And he said she failed. That's not how it works. He fell into the same traps that people still do today. It's no wonder they failed. He didn't give them a plan. He didn't give them recipes. He didn't give them support that they would need to make this change. And then he cursed them with an all or nothing mindset. He set them up for failure. We don't do things like that around here. I'm going to share with you 5 things that you need. I'm going to share with you 5 things that you need to know before you start a plant-based diet so you'll be ready for the challenge. I've also created a great resource for you to help you through this transition. It's the ultimate guide to going plant-based, and there's a PDF in the description below. The first thing you need to do is take it slow. You don't need to clean out the pantry. Making a gradual change is going to be easier to stick to and help your body to adjust, especially if you're going from a fast food diet to a plant-based diet. Your body's going to need time to get used to having all that extra fiber and nutrition. Number 2 is that you need to give yourself grace. If you eat birthday cake or order a pizza in a moment of weakness, it's okay. Tomorrow is a new day. You can pick up where you left off. It's not like you have to go all the way back to the beginning. You don't lose your progress. You've not gone backwards. You're right in the same place. Number 3, don't try to give up everything all at once. Don't think you're going to be gluten-free, vegan, plant-based, sugar-free all at the same time. If you try to do everything at once, you're likely going to go back to the old diet faster than if you just did one thing at a time. Pick the one thing that is most important to you and focus all your energy on that one thing. Making too many changes will set you up for failure. Number 4, find someone to go on this journey with you. If you don't have a friend or a family member who wants to go plant-based with you, then you'd be surprised, but there's a lot of supper clubs and local get-togethers of plant-based or vegan people that you can join. And then you can have the support of people just like you who are trying to adopt a plant-based diet to be healthier. Not having support or accountability is the main reason people give up a plant-based diet and go back to a standard American diet. The support that you receive from each other is going to be invaluable. Number 5 is you need to work out a step-by-step plan on how to adopt this plant-based diet. If you need help with that, I do have a downloadable guide in the description box below. And I also have a video right here that will help you make that step-by-step plan.